So today I'm going to install the vinyl on the hood, and there's plenty of videos that shows you how to take this stuff apart. I ordered trim removal panel, trim panel removal tools, and today's Sunday and I don't want to wait till tomorrow. So I just used my pry bar, and this end just works just fine. So I got all the Christmas trees out, and only one of them broke, so that's not terrible. So I unscrewed these guys, the bumper things, from the hood. That was easy. So the only thing is the washer fluid nozzle, and the easiest way that I was able to get the first one out was to get it off on this side, and then just turn right here, turn the nozzle around, and it just pops out right here, so not too bad. Okay, so we're back, and this took probably about an hour trying. I was trying to go deeper, but then the vinyl that I got is only 2 feet wide, so I have to redo it. And I think I got it pretty even. It's all cleaned up, so I'm gonna try to lay the vinyl now and see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. Okay, well, it's done. Turned out pretty good. I don't know if you can tell. I am going to get the red pinstripe tape and just go around the edges to, make it look better. This corner, I couldn't get an exact rounded edge, so I think that the pinstripe will cover it up and it'll look better anyway. So yeah, so now I'm going to start putting the stuff back on and see how it goes. Alright, so here's just a quick overview of the final product. If you're right up close, and you can see where I had to overlap the old vinyl, just to make it look nice and round. Well, if you step back about a foot, you really can't see it. So it turned out pretty good. And then on the side, the color of the pinstripe is pretty close. It's like 95% close. So it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys.